Hey guys, here's the small demo from Look Mobility. Look Mobility is into building virtual reality experiences. The demo that we are going to show here is mainly aimed at real estate builders. The builders who wants to showcase their property to their prospective clients. So here we have our app, Homes. So here you can see the builder's name here and all the type of apartments they have in their one of their particular project in Bangalore. And this app is going to be a white labeled app. The total building process of the app is completely automated. So the builder is just going to upload these images to us. If they need help on taking these images, we have our photographers who can help in doing that, in capturing 360-degree photographs. And if the site is not yet ready, I mean the project is not yet ready, we have our 3D modelers who can help in creating the 3D visualization of the same property. So we have some of the actual floor plans that we are working on, but we can't reveal the actual interiors that we are working on right now. Here you can see each and every types of building has living room, bedroom, kitchen and washroom models. And we are building this app on both platforms, Android and iOS. iOS app is still in progress. We'll be completing in next 10 days. We can show you a demo of that also after this. So say for example, let's go into one of the model, say this. So here these are dummy data, and here we list the total details about this particular project and this particular location. And we have the cardboard view here, so that will directly take you to the VR experience view. I think it's better I can show you on a better view. So this app is going to be a white labeled app which will be posted on stores, mainly App Store and Play Store. So user can just go and download and experience that particular property in virtual reality mode. But in real use case, the builder wants to showcase this to their prospective clients on the spot. So what we did was, so we have coupled this app with another app. So this app is just going to be for VR experience. And what it does was, let me connect both the device through Bluetooth. So scan for the device and let me connect it to this device. It's an Nexus 5X phone. It's connected to the tablet. So now what can I do is, so let me select a particular, say take this. So this is one of the app 3D model that we have worked on. This is completely a 3D model done by us. And so the client is going to use a VR headset when they are going to experience it, and the real estate property developer, they can guide the user to experience this particular property. And right now we are working on creating a virtual walkthrough inside this. So you can think it's going to be something same like Google Street View, but a better experience. So you can see the view changes when you tap on this. So this is the demo we have right now. Right now we are working on another app where the real estate builder can guide and real estate builder, it can be real estate builder or the architect, they can guide and make the user visualize how the interior is going to look like. They can change the wall color or any home furnishing product inside that VR view. We can show you that demo also after this. Thanks for watching this, and we are from Look Mobility. Thank you.